Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your weekly screencast video. So, I usually tape this on Sunday evening. And over the next several days, I will begin to look at and grade and comment on exercise 1.5, the proposals, point you in directions, confirm your direction, and make some suggestions. So, as you will notice over the next several weeks, the discussion board activity will begin to slow from 2 to 1 a week. We begin with chapter 2 in the textbook, which is all about researching your specific topic for your research project. This allows time for you to focus on the annotated bibliography. I believe in last week's lecture video, I did review the annotated bibliography in the module a bit, sort of previewed that. So as you move through chapter 7, I'm going to point out several options that you have here. Here I have a significant amount of links all about the library research at Moraine Valley. You can also use the library site and contact the librarian electronically. If you happen to be on campus at any time, you may want to visit the Moraine Valley Library, as they are wonderful in searching for your information and helping you complete your research. My tips here would be, and you'll see this in a couple of upcoming videos, using databases like Academic Search Complete, as you see here on the screen. I would really kind of just use such items as CQ Researcher or SIRS Researchers as just gathering basic information. They are not good source material for your project in the way that they're all encompassing and can yield to some really unfocused research there. So you have a bunch of links. I would urge you to review the links here in the library research section. You have those in your availability there. Once again, here is the annotated bibliography instruction and video. I did mention that the video is an older video, but it applies to this particular assignment pretty well here. I don't think I've made any significant changes. And once again, at the bottom of this annotated bibliography assignment is an example. As time passes, I might be able to locate a couple more annotated bibliographies, but one should do the trick there. All right, so that's important on that. And we have on Friday a discussion board. I believe it's exercise 2.1. Pay close attention to what an annotation is. The 3 parts of an annotation is really important. And as we get into the area of probably in the next week or so in an electric video, I'll cover that a little bit more. I believe, here we go, discussion board 10 is exercise 2.1. Is an interesting activity to start thinking about your topic, working through the steps of 2.1, looking for keywords and related subjects there. All right, so this is what we have for week 7. Once again, be aware of the responses in the comments I will make on discussion board number 9. That's exercise 1.5 on your proposals in your topics. One of the comments I know you'll probably read often is that you might want to think about narrowing, which will help you focus your research on that project. If you have any questions or issues about this week's activities, one thing I would like to note is that we will have some activities in week 8. I have nothing scheduled for week 9, which is spring break. Excuse me. I would suggest that some people, they might use that time to really focus on the annotated bibliography. There will be no other activities assigned that week. Once again, questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.